Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a week where nothing seems to go right? You properly analyze your charts, set up your trades, but it feels like the market is working against you. I have been there before, and trust me, you are not alone. There are 5 principles which held me through those tough moments, and I will share these 5 principles with you. The 5th one is one of the most important ones. In today's video, we are discussing about how to overcome trading losses. I'll be sharing some personal experience which you can relate to. So let's turn this moment to learning experience and building your confidence back up. The first principle I will share with you is acknowledge the losses. Let's start with this. Picture yourself on a Friday evening. You've had 5 trading losses in a row and you are down 10% on your trading account. You're staring at your screen wondering if you are really caught out for this. Here's the fact. Losses happens to every traders out there. And what differentiates between the successful ones from the rest is how they respond to losses. You need to understand when it comes to trading that losses aren't the reflection of your ability. It's a chance of you improving on what you're doing currently. And this will take me to my next principle. Analyze and learn. Now, let's talk about what next to do. Let me share a simple experience that happened to me a few months ago. I took a trade on Euro USD. The technical analysis lined up, the fundamentals lined up, and I was so confident about this trade. But the trade reversed against me and hit my stop loss. I felt frustrated about this trade and I pulled up my trading journal, asked myself, did I follow my trading strategy? Was my stop loss too tight? Did I enter too early? Here is what I found out. I entered too early. I was trying to predict the market instead of waiting for confirmation. That single insight helped me to refine my approach to the market. And sharing this simple experience with you, I want you to see losses as a feedback on what you do, how you can use those losses to improve things you do in your strategy. Okay, so this will take me to my next point. Emotional reset. After losses, you get frustrated, you get upset, and you just want to make the money back. Let me share with you an experience what happened to me earlier in my trading period. I took a trade and I just lost $200. Instead of walking away from the chart, I just want to make the money back, and I jumped right back to the market and I lost $300 within an hour. That actually left me losing more than the initial losses. And the reasons why I had to explain this to you is I need to explain about revenge trading. The best thing I could have done at that moment was, after the $200 loss, I should have walked away from the chart. But no, I went back trying to revenge trade. And this revenge trading could leave you with a lot of losing trades. The best thing you should do anytime you lose a trade is you walk away from the chart. You can go do things you love, maybe eat the gym, play with family, or just engage yourself in something just to clear your mind. The market is not going anywhere. You will come back to the chart, so you can, by the time you come back to the chart, you will be refreshed, you will be able to think more clearly. Okay, so the best thing you need to do anytime you take a loss in the market is you walk away from the chart, go do something else, and come back later to the market. And this will take me to my next point. Stick to your plan. Let's talk about discipline in trading. Imagine you take a trade on Go Spot USD and you see a sudden spike moving against you. You panic and close the trading position just to lock in small loss, and eventually the price starts moving into your original direction. This happens sometimes in the market, and the only way you can combat this type of situation is you must have a trading plan that you stick to. Having this trading plan which you stick to will serve as your anchor in the market, and it will tell you when to enter the market, when to exit, and the amount of money you need to risk on each trade. If you don't have a trading plan, all I can tell you is you are just gambling in the market. If you have a strict plan which you stick to, it will help you a lot in the market. And you need to remember, consistency beats impulsive entries in the market always. And this will take me to my next point. Build back confidence. Finally, let's talk about building back confidence when you are experiencing a losing streak in the market. It is normal to doubt yourself when experiencing a losing streak in the market and to doubt your strategy. And this is what does help me anytime I experience losing streak. All I do is I scale down instead of going full position, just to get off the money emotions and focus on building confidence on the strategy which I use. So I do scale down like trade 0.01. So just build trust in the system that I'm using. Once I build those systems, just to prove to myself that I can execute disciplined trades, okay, that is just all I'm concerned about. Once I'm able to build that, then I can move back to trading full position. And let me share this simple experience with you. There was a time which I was experiencing a long losing streak on GJ. All I did was I had to stick to one single setup, and the setup goes like this. I always stick to a break and retest on 4-hour time frame. I don't care whatsoever going on the lower time frame. I always stick to a breakout and a retest on the 4-hour time frame. And guess what? This actually helped me and build my confidence back in my strategy and my setup. Here is the takeaway. Losses in trading are not the end of your trading journey. You need to understand that losses in trading are meant to make you a better trader. It's a stepping stone to make you refine your entry. Pick lessons from the losses you have instead of thinking this can't work for me. Now, I want you to remember one thing, that every single trader you admire out there has been through what you are going through right now. All you need to do is turn those losses into lessons and build yourself and move forward. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Until next time that I come back here to share an amazing value with you guys. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and don't forget to trade wisely as well. Bye for now, guys.